Present simple tense. The present simple tense is one of the basic verb tenses in English. It is used to describe regular actions, general truths, habits, routines, and scheduled events. Let's explore its structure and usage. Structure. The present simple tense is formed differently for different subjects. For singular subjects, I, you, he, she, it, and plural subject, we, they, we use the base form of the verb, infinitive without to. Examples. I work at a company. She studies English. They play football every weekend. When the subject is third person singular, he, she, it, and the verb ends in s, ss, sh, ch, x, or o, we add s to the base form of the verb. Examples. He watches TV every evening. She brushes her teeth twice a day. The cat meows loudly. Usage. We use the present simple tense for the following situations: habits and routines, actions that we regularly do. Examples. She always takes the bus to work. We have breakfast at 7 o'clock every day. Facts and general truths. Things that are generally true and not limited to a specific time. Examples. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Scheduled events. Future events that are part of a fixed timetable or schedule. Examples. The train leaves at 9 a.m. tomorrow. The meeting starts in an hour. Commentary on sports, literature, or media, to describe events in sports commentary, summaries, or stories. Examples. He shoots. He scores. The story ends with a surprising twist. Signal words. Certain words and expressions often indicate the use of the present simple tense. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never, every day, week, month, year, on Mondays, Tuesdays, etc., in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Negative form. Negative form. To form the negative present simple, use the auxiliary verb do not, don't, or does not, doesn't, plus base form of the main verb. Examples. I don't like coffee. She doesn't play video games. Question form. To create questions in the present simple tense, invert the subject and the auxiliary verb do or does. Examples. Do you speak Spanish? Does he live in London? Spelling note. For the third person singular, he, she, it, in the affirmative, remember to add s, or s, to the verb. However, in the negative and question forms, the verb remains in its base form. Now you have a good understanding of the present simple tense. Practice using it in various contexts to improve your English fluency. Happy learning!